Now let's learn what hard links are. I'm gonna create a new file. So we have 10 files here. Let me create one more file. But before that, let's delete all of them. So we can use star sign to delete all the files. Okay, they are deleted. So I'm gonna create a new file called, let's say, bugx.site, which is, by the way, my website name. So we just created this file called bugx.site, which is actually a hard link. This name is hard link. So it's pretty simple. When you create a file, you give it a name, and basically that name is hard link. Now let's create another link to this file. But before that, I'm gonna add some content to the original file. Let's use Vim for this one. So Vim bugx.site, and I'm gonna add, for example, let's say hello. Escape Shift Z to save the file. In order to create a link, we have to use ln. ln is a command. Then we have to provide our original file name, which is bugx.site. Then after that, we are going to write the new name, new hard link. So it will link, let's say the link and to bugx, for example. Press enter. But let's use this I option as well. So as you see that we have the same inode numbers. So it means that when you create a hard link, the inodes number will be the same. Actually, these files are the same. If you look at these permissions, the users, the group, the timestamp, all the things are the same. So basically, it's something like they're just copy of each other. And this number shows the number of hard links. So right now we have 2 hard links, that's why it is 2. I'm gonna create a new one. So let's use ln again, our original file name, and let's say that it will be link to bugx. So now we have 3 files, and there is no difference among these 3 hard links. They are all just hard links. But what happens if we delete one of them? Let's delete the original hard link. So I'm gonna use rm, and original one is bugx.site. Press enter. It is already deleted. As you see that nothing happens, just this number is decreased by 1. So before it was 3 because we had 3 hard links. Right now we just deleted the original one, so now it is 2. And we can still read the contents of these hard links. For example, let's read the second hard link. So nothing will be broken if you delete one of the hard links. You can think of hard link as a copy of the original hard link or the file. But when you copy a file, it means that you just create a different file, but with the same content. So let me just copy one of the files. So I'm gonna say cp, then let's copy this file, for example, and the target name will be copy, let's say test. Press enter. If we do ls li, so we have 3 files, and let's do some changes. For example, let's do this one. I'm gonna add some contents, so hello there, and if we read the copy test, so it is hello there, and if we read the, for example, link to, let's say, it's not there. It means that the file which we just copied is a different file. But if I add some content to one of the hard links, so let me use, for example, this one. Let's write hello there, 3 exclamation mark. And if you read this file, link to, so hello there, 3 exclamation mark. And if you read the first one, it's also there, which means that they are the same files. Let's clear the screen. We have created a hard link to a file. Now let's create it to directory. So first of all, I'm gonna remove all the things here. So we have nothing. I'm gonna create a new directory called test, and let's create hard link from this test directory. So we're gonna use ln test, and then let's see link to tests. As you can see, we are not allowed to create a hard link to the directory. So this is just something that you need to remember when you create some hard links. In general, links are pretty useful because they allow you to create links in different locations so that your file will be more accessible. But anyway, that's it about hard links. In the next video, we're gonna learn soft or symbolic links.